Actress Malaika Arora and Arbaz Khan were spotted together at Mumbai airport on Friday to receive their son Arhan Khan. Both Malaika and Arbaz got emotional after seeing their son after so many days. They gave Arhan a warm hug. Videos and pictures of their meet are going viral on social media. Malaika can be seen wearing a grey quad set and paired it with a long brown jacket. Arbaz, on the other hand, was seen wearing a plain black t-shirt over blue denim jeans. For the unversed, Arhan had gone to abroad for his studies in August 2021. Malaika even posted an emotional note on Instagram while bidding farewell to the 18-year-old. As we both embark on a new and uncharted journey, one filled with nervousness, fear, excitement, distance, new experiences, all I know is that I am super duper proud of you, my Arhan. This is your time to spread your wings and fly and soar and live all your dreams. Miss you already, Malaika had written. Malaika Arora and Arbaz Khan parted ways in 2017 after 19 years of marriage. Arbaz is currently dating Italian beauty Giorgia Adriani. Georgia always remains in the limelight for her stylish look, while Malaika is dating actor Arjun Kapoor. The couple made their relationship official on Instagram with a loved-up picture. Malaika and Arjun recently returned to Mumbai after holidaying in Maldives. The couple had shared stunning pictures and videos of their vacation on Instagram. On the professional front, Malaika has broadened her entrepreneurship horizon with Malaika Arora Ventures. She says her goal is to actively look out for and purposely invest in lifestyle, health, and wellness brands. Malaika successfully established herself as a strategic business investor with hand-picked tie-ups and investments under her business company. The 45-year-old actress has sealed tie-ups with e-commerce brand Label Life in the fashion space, Sarva Yoga in fitness, and her most recent venture with Rebel Foods Nude Balls in the clean eating space. On the acting front, Arjun has 3 films lined up: Ek Villain Returns, Kutte, and The Lady Killer. In Ek Villain Returns, Arjun Kapoor will be sharing screen space with John Abraham, Disha Patni, and Tara Sutaria. Ek Villain Returns is jointly produced by T-Series and Balaji Telefilms. Kutte will be directed by son of ace filmmaker Vishal Bhardwaj, Asman Bhardwaj. The film stars Tabu, Nasiruddin Shah, Konkana Sen Sharma, Kumud Mishra, Radhika Padan, and Shardul Bhardwaj.
Subscribe to our channel. Just click on the bell icon for all the latest updates.